Hi, in this video I'm going to solve practice question for making comparison using average and range. So for the following set of data, one of the three average is not representative. State which one is not representative in each case. Okay, we'll find it. So as addition, so we have to find the mean, median, and mode at the beginning. So let's write 6 plus 2, and then plus by 5, plus by 1, and we plus again by 5, plus 7, plus 2, plus 3, and plus 8. So it's gonna be 39 total, number A. So the mean 39 we divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We divided by 9. So it's 9. So the mean is gonna be 4.3. How about the median? So let's make it from the smallest one. 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we got 4 numbers from here. Okay, the median equal to 5. The mode is 2 and 5. So the data is bimodal, and the lower mode 2 is okay. We can write it here. So the data is bimodal, and this is the lower mode. The lower mode or 2 is not representative of data. Okay, there we go. Now B, let us still do it. Find the mean. So we'll make a sum of the data. 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3, and that's plus 1 plus 6, then plus 2 plus 9 plus 10 plus 3 plus 2, and plus by 2 again, and plus by 0. So it's gonna be 441. We divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Divide by 13. So we divide by 13. So we got the mean is 3.15. So let us find the median. Make it in order. Okay, we got 0, 0 again. Okay, continue to 1, 1, 2 times, 1, 1. So continue to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 3, 3, 2 times, 3, and 3, 2 times, 6, 9, and 10. So 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the median. Median equal to 2, and the mode most appears or common is 2, which is 4 times equal to 4. So the mean, look at it, the mean, look at this number, median, mode. So the mean is not representative of data because too high. So this is because there are some values in the data that are much higher than the other. well, like 10 and 0, 1 and 9 is too higher. So this is also will give the big, this some, let me write, values. So the range also will be too big. So let us find the C. So first of all, always find the mean. Okay, we got 21 here. Yeah, so 21 we plus by 29 plus by 30, we plus again by 14 plus by 5 plus by 16 and then plus by 3 plus by 24 plus by 17. So it's gonna be 159. We divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divided by 9. So divided by 9. So it's gonna be 17.67. The median. Let us make it in order. So the smallest we got 3 and 5. 3, 5. 35 we got 14 and 17. 14 and 17. Before 17 there is 16 here. 14, 16 and 17. After 17 we got 21, 24, 29 and 30. 29 and 30. So here 4, here 4. So this is the median. So median equal to 17. How about the mode? No mode. Okay, there is no mode. All of them appears only once. So there is no mode. So there is no mode. So this cannot be representative of the data. The mean, we can write the mean and median are similar, so they are both representative of the data. Okay, there we go. Okay, now look at number 2. Calculate the mean, median, and mode with the range of the mark. Okay, 20. So first to find mean, make it the sum and we divide by 20. See 20 student, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 20 student here, 20 student. So let's addition, we got 17 plus by 18 plus by 17 again plus by 14 plus 8 plus 3 plus 15 plus 18 plus 3 plus 15 plus 0 plus 17 plus 16 here, and then we plus by 17 plus by 14 plus 7 plus 18 plus 19 plus 5 and 15. So 256 we divide by 20. So the mean is 12.8. Median, let us sort from the smallest, which is 0, 3, 3 again, 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. 7, 8. Okay, we got 14. 14 to 14. 14. 14. After 14. We got 15, 15, 15. 3 times. 15, 15, 15. And we got 16 one time. 17, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 17, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 18, 3 times. 18, 18, 18, and the last is 19. So the mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not mode median 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here 15. The median. For the mode, most appears is 17. Range, the highest minus by the lowest, 0. So 19 minus by 0 equal to 19. Okay, number B. Why is the median the best summary statistic for this particular set of data? Median, which is 15. Okay. B. So the mode is too high, which is 17. And mean, not reliable, as range is large, which is 19. The range. So the median is the best summary, which is 15. 3. The table show the times in minutes and seconds that two 800-meter runners achieved during one session, runner A and the runner B. Okay, which runner is better and why? Okay, this 2 minutes, 2.25, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, all of them, which is 2 minutes. So let us just calculate the second. So we got 2.5 plus by 1.7 plus by 2.2 plus by 3.7 plus by 1.7 plus by 2.9, and we can plus again by, here is 2.6. Okay, they got 17.3 and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This for the A, A. So divided by 7. So this is gonna be 2.47 seconds. The mean. Let's find it, the second mean B. So we got 2.4, 1.8, 2.3 plus 4.4, 0.6, 2.2, and the last plus 1.2. Okay, this is 14.9. We divide by 7. This is equal to 2.12 seconds. So the runner B is faster because the mean is lowest. The mean of B. So technically, the runner B can beat the runner A. So which runner is more consistent and why? To find the consistency, let us find the range. Okay, this the highest is 3.7 seconds and the lowest is 1.7. So which is 2. The range A, let's find range B. We got 4.4 minus by 0.6, which is 3.8. So A is consistent because the B has the range of 3.8 seconds while A got only 2 seconds. Okay, here the last question. 10 people were selected randomly and asked how long they waited to see a consultant at the passport office. the waiting time. Okay, which average best describe this data? So we need to check if we are using mean. So it's gonna be divided by 10. So the mean, we got 16 plus by 25 plus 30 plus 112 plus also 20 plus by 10. So 16 plus 25 plus 30 plus 112 plus by 20 plus by 10 plus by 17 and plus by 40 plus by 22 and 10. So 302 divided by 10, so 30.2 minutes. How about the range? The highest is 112. We want it by the lowest, which is 10. So the waiting time is 102 minutes. Okay, range and mean. This is no. It's not reasonable. Mode also the 10. No, we cannot use mode. Okay, let us try mean. So we got 10 again, 30. Before 30 we got 16, 20. Wait, yes, 16, 17, 20, 22, 25, 30. 30 we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40 and 112. So the mean is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, which is 21. Median. Okay, the base is median, because the mean will be affected by the very high value, which is 112, and the mode has only 2 values. So this is unlikely, to be statistically. So the median is 20 minutes, which seems reasonable given data. Okay, there it is. Thank you.